Hey everybody, I'm Yvonne Williams with Back to Earth Creations, and this is this week's shop update. At the time of recording, this is the shop update for October 12th. If you are from the future, hello, and any of these cabs are not listed for sale on our website, it is likely that they have sold. We're very fortunate that some of them tend to actually sell up pretty quickly. So if you go over to our website and the cab that you wanted isn't there, it already found its home. We do new shop updates every Monday. You can check our calendar on our website, backtoearthcreations.com, and that can keep you up to date about whether we're doing a shop update on Monday or on Friday or what have you. But yeah, all of our cabs this week are fused glass. It's 96 COE in case you want to refuse it with like some metal clay and stuff or anything like that. That way you can know how to anneal it properly. We only have a few dichro pieces, and those are the ones that I really wanted to show off a little bit with the here on video, because it's elusive to try to catch those flashes sometimes in the depth of color that can come through in some of these cabs just in a photograph. Also, the way that we do our numbering system on our website, this week is HIJKL. This week's number is L, or letter is L. So this is 1L, 2L, 3L, so on all the way up to 32L. We have a couple that are just fun little milky glass pieces with some interesting surface boxing. We like to leave that in because you can get perfect. Perfect is so similar to each other. I like the stuff that has the natural fluctuations and discrepancies and little bits of character added into them. So I really like some of these deep sea tone blues, like the ocean at night almost. This one was really fun to make. Randy and I have been experimenting with making some of our own sheet glass, and that's been just an adventure. Like, I really love the effects that are coming out, especially when it's kind of backlit. This one here had a really nice bubbling going on. I loved all the bubbles in this one. So pretty. And these cabs are great for wire wrapping, setting in polymer clay. Like, you can bake them in your oven all day long. You can use them in metal clay. They set into chainmail really wonderfully. You can incorporate them into your leather working or your bead weaving, like kind of stitch work with beads and bead embroidery and stuff. Now these ones here, Randy and I were getting kind of the look of rainbow fluorite almost. The banding isn't quite right, but that color scheme though, gosh y'all, like I absolutely love this grape purple with that deep like peacock teal, I think. I don't know, I can't remember the glass colors that I used. I have it written down somewhere. This is another one of our dichro pieces. And again, with all of these too, you could come through with even like just nail polish and kind of go through on the backs of them. I really like the chrome finished like model car paints or acrylic paint, or just anything that gives that high metallic silver can really change the look of this almost completely. You can also go through, if you're using them in your bead embroidery, and back it with like some Lacey's stiff stuff. This is just cardstock, but the Lacey's stiff stuff that I have is a bright white like this, and it can give, you can see, a really, really cool color. You could foil back them if you're doing things like that. Like, you can set polymer clay, get the back down, and like kind of put a little bit of aluminum foil on the back. Now also, our cabs this week are starting at just $4 and work their way up to $20 for some of the larger pieces that have a lot of dichro in them. And we tried to have sister pieces for a bunch of them, because I know that last week's shop update, which was our first time doing a video for the shop update, gosh, I really love how that one came out, y'all. This was another experiment with our own homemade sheet glass made with just frit and sheet and stuff, but a lot of y'all were like, oh no, the one that I liked sold out. So I tried to make, kind of nothing comes out exactly the same, but we do have sister pieces, so trying to take care of y'all. And you can see still images on our website of each of these cabs, as well as if you guys sign up for our newsletter, we oftentimes will have pictures of some of our favorite cabs from each week into the newsletters, but we also wanted to tell you all about our featured artisan section of our newsletter. If you guys use our artwork in your artwork, like if you use our cabs in your work, or if you follow along with any of our tutorials and you would like for us to showcase you to, we actually, I'm very very impressed actually with how quickly our newsletter is growing. We're already over 500 subscribers on our newsletter, so if you'd like for us to showcase you and your work to everyone who signed up for the newsletter, please send us a high quality image of your work that you'd like to be featured, as well as a short artisan bio, like just introduce yourself, and a link to whether it's your social media page or your Etsy shop or your website, just wherever you'd like for us to direct people to. We'd love to do that for you, because not only does it, you know, we think it's interesting just to be able to have something other than our same old humdrum, you know, newsletter, but I love giving back to you guys, and just the more I can feature you and kind of shine that spotlight much deservedly onto you, the better. I really do love these pieces though. Ooh, and then also, if you enjoy our cabochons and you'd like to be guaranteed to get some each month, you can consider joining our craft along club. This one is a really fun one to make too. I think that would make a beautiful ring actually. Kind of big, but I like it. In our Craft Along Club, starting at just $1 a month or $12 a year, you can get exclusive access to our members only streams, to our digital download content and coloring pages. We also do Craft Along kits, where you can get monthly cab boxes starting at just $10 a month, depending on where you live in the world. And we have more information about that on our website as well. And then, in case you're wondering, that's how the backs of them look. Some of them have a little bit of etching on there, but ooh, I love this one too. That's how the back side of that one looks. And then we also, what else do we do? We do giveaways in our Tuesday live streams, and so oftentimes we'll give away a cab box, which is the equivalent of like our $10 membership tier. But all of y'all's support, even just you being here watching now, really benefits our channel. So thank you guys so much for all of your support and everything that you do for us. I really like that one. Oh, I want to make more glass caps like this. Like, we currently have a batch in the kiln and I cannot wait to see how it comes out. Also, if you guys are interested, ooh, this is another one that'd make a cute ring. Yes. If you guys are interested in seeing kind of some of the behind the scene antics here at Back to Earth Creations, you can check us out over on the Vonster vlog. That is my personal vlog channel where we post almost daily. So this one I think is my favorite of all of them this batch. I'm gonna get the white behind it as well. Ooh, those colors. But yeah, so let us know down in the comments which one's your favorite, and what colors would you guys like to see next week. So again, if you guys have any questions, comments, or ideas, I do love hearing from you, and check out all the links down below, and we will see you at the time of recording, tomorrow's live stream. So until next time, you guys, happy crafting. Bye.